Today, we will talk about how to earn money from YouTube step-by-step ways. YouTube stars are today's self-made celebrities, people who have earned an audience by creating video content geared toward entertaining, reviewing, teaching, and being awesome online. Do you want to know how to make money on YouTube? Whether you want to start a side hustle or turn to YouTube full-time as an entrepreneur, this blog post is for you. In this guide, creators will learn the steps required to make and monetize a successful YouTube channel. From setting up the channel, generating content that appeals to an audience, and understanding different ways of earning money from your videos, everything is covered right here for you. 1. Create a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is not just about setting up the basics, it's about creating a brand. Research extensively to identify gaps in the market and determine where your channel can fit. Consider your channel as a brand and focus on creating a unique selling proposition, USP, that distinguishes it from others. Invest time and potentially resources in designing a memorable logo, crafting a brand identity, and ensuring that your visual elements align cohesively. This brand consistency not only makes your channel more professional, but also contributes to brand recall and audience loyalty. 2. Create high-quality, niche content. The journey to YouTube monetization begins with the creation of high-quality, niche-specific content. Regardless of your chosen niche, be it gaming, tech reviews, beauty tutorials, or educational content, invest time and effort in producing videos that captivate your target audience. Consistency is key. Develop a posting schedule to keep your viewers engaged and returning for more. To stand out in a sea of content, consider exploring innovative video formats, storytelling techniques, and interactive elements that enhance the overall viewing experience. The goal is not just to attract viewers, but to build a community that values and actively engages with your content. 3. Build your audience. Audience building is an ongoing process that requires a multifaceted approach. Beyond collaborations and social media promotion, consider implementing a comprehensive SEO strategy. This involves not only keyword optimization, but also creating playlists, utilizing end screens and cards, and leveraging YouTube's analytics to understand audience behavior. Conduct regular audience surveys to gather insights into their preferences and tailor your content strategy accordingly. Building a community is not just about numbers, but about fostering a sense of belonging and shared interest among your viewers. 4. Enable monetization. Monetizing your content with ads is a pivotal step, but it's equally important to strike a balance between ad revenue and user experience. Optimize your ad placements by strategically placing mid-roll and non-intrusive ads. Experiment with different ad formats and analyze their impact on user engagement. Stay informed about YouTube's evolving ad policies and adjust your content strategy to align with any changes. Additionally, consider exploring direct sponsorship opportunities with brands that resonate with your audience. 5. Explore different revenue streams. Diversifying revenue streams is not just a recommendation, it's a strategic necessity. While ad revenue is a significant component, explore avenues like crowdfunding through platforms such as Patreon or Kickstarter. Offer tiered memberships with exclusive perks to incentivize your audience to support you directly. Develop and market your merchandise effectively. Consider partnering with fulfillment services to streamline the process. Monitor the performance of each revenue stream and adjust your strategy based on the most effective channels for your particular audience. 6. Create a Google AdSense account. Understanding the intricacies of Google AdSense is essential for maximizing your ad revenue potential. Regularly check your AdSense account for insights into revenue sources, ad formats, and audience demographics. Experiment with ad settings, such as ad categories and ad balance, to find the optimal configuration for your audience. Stay abreast of any policy changes and adjust your content strategy accordingly to maintain a positive relationship with AdSense. 7. Optimize for search, SEO. SEO is an ongoing process that involves not just keyword optimization, but also understanding the YouTube algorithm. Stay updated on algorithm changes and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. Dive deep into analytics to understand how users discover and engage with your content. Leverage trends in your niche and incorporate them into your content plan. Regularly audit your older videos to update titles, descriptions, and tags based on evolving search patterns. 8. Affiliate marketing. Choosing affiliates that align with your interests and values is an important part of monetizing your channel. It's important to select partners and products that fit within the scope of your content, as well as those that reflect your own values and moral compass. By selecting informed partners that match your vision, you can ensure that you are properly representing yourself and your brand in the marketplace. Working with influencers is an increasingly popular way for YouTubers to make money and grow their channels. Influencer marketing involves leveraging the reach of popular personalities on social media to promote products or services. 9. Become a YouTube partner. Musicians who wish to monetize through their YouTube account must create an official artist channel. This is because YouTube requires all channels wishing to monetize their videos to be verified, and artist channels are the only type of channel that can be verified. To apply for verification, a channel must meet certain requirements, such as having a large enough audience and producing consistent content. Once a channel has been verified, they can become eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. The Partner Program allows creators to receive a portion of the revenue generated from ads placed on their videos and additional promotional opportunities. 10. Engage with your community. Community engagement is not just a checkbox, but a dynamic and evolving process. Beyond responding to comments, consider hosting live Q&A sessions, organizing virtual meetups, or even participating in community forums related to your niche. Foster a sense of ownership among your audience by involving them in decision-making processes, such as voting on upcoming video topics or choosing merchandise designs. Utilize community features such as polls, discussions, and live chats to maintain an ongoing dialogue with your audience. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.